Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the love potions in Abyss Roblox. So if we want to increase all of stats by 10% for 15 minutes, you need to have these items, and I'm going to show you how you can catch this one. So to get the love potion, you just need to go to the Valentine's event here and talk to Cupcake, the NPC, and you'll see the love potion in here. You can get it for 15 Valentine's tickets. This one, so you can just here choose or write how many love potion that you want to buy, and after that you can just click on buy and you'll get the potions. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.